Using an affirmed virtual card in store is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, download or open the Affirm app. Here, search for your store. Next, you need to create a virtual card. Here, tap Pay with One-Time Use Virtual Card. So, apply for a virtual card. After doing so, add it to your digital wallet. Also, keep it handy for one-time use within 24 hours. Complete your purchase. This can be done by entering your virtual card number at checkout, just like any other card. Also, some retailers may have partnerships with Affirm, which allows you to use your virtual card for in-store purchases. If you're unsure about in-store use or have specific questions, reach out to Affirm customer support for guidance and assistance. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information and options for using your virtual card.